be the last time we see that man at a World Cup.
Nice things about those guys on the other side of this game here today. What it means is that this atmosphere is charged. Occasion, and it is underway. There's Messi's first touch of the ball, and he's being wrestled to the ground by Elliot Anderson. Argentina thought there was a foul. You couldn't hear the whistle if it came, and then Anderson. Messi going to try to angle that one. Simeone offside, and Kyle
England a little bit deeper in their defensive shape.
Messi, and just a touch there. As Andre Martinez on some pressure. Messi trying to dance his way from Anderson, and then gives it away. Just kind of Texas, and is at his second World Cup as a referee. He and these two assistant referees have done a ton of games together over the years.
Yeah, good play by Argentina. When you move the ball quickly like that 1-2 touch, it breaks the spirit of that high pressure. And
trying to play in space to the far side, Lionel Messi. Jed Spence trying to get there first. Able to slow Messi up. Messi around 3 England players, still on the ball. Lionel Messi fouled as he gets rid of it. Ismail Alfad wanted to play advantage. Enzo Fernandez was uninterested in that because their man Messi went down.
This should be the first yellow.
And in comes the cavalry to circle around him. The yellow card is out. Messi around Anderson, who's able to recover.
It's a potential emergency, and immediately they shut it down, and it's already a physical game, so the consistency of foul.
Tackled away. That's probably going to be an offside flag on Messi. Maybe not. We play on. Messi's on the ball, trying to get inside of Bellingham there, and those two get in a tangle, and it ends up out for a goal kick. Everyone stopped. Messi kept playing.
Battle of the tens there. Messi versus Bellingham. Would he have been offside? No, he would have been on.
England can't take advantage. Messi, lovely play. Bench waiting for, gives it away. Messi from Simeone. Messi! Was he as a block or was it just a pump? Well, we'll find out on Sunday. Will it be a rematch of the European Championship final from 2 years ago as Messi
could find a way? That'll be in the back of the mind of the English as he looks sharp, doesn't even though that one's turned over. But just taking a game as here comes Messi.
Around Gordon, around Anderson. Great ball for Lionel Messi. Messi will hook this cross into a great spot. What a save, Jordan Pickford. Spence is fouled, controlling the rebound. Jordan Pickford, does he get the credit he deserves or not? He's England's all-time leading. Direct traffic. Messi's in the middle now. Clipping it in. Back post. Gonzalez wide across the face of goal.
Well, he had switched the defensive shape, and he still can't find a way. England are getting pushed so deep. They need to get up the field, and that, like now.
Here he is. Messi all the way through. Messi on Spence, trying to find space for that left foot into the middle. Enzo Fernandez! Argentina, they always find a way, and they've tied the game. Of extra time, even as they played extra time more than any team in World Cup history, including twice this year. Messi, can he get it back? No, Bellingham was there first. Spence might be hurt. Messi resets. Messi driving in. Messi crossing back. Post, there it is! Lautaro Martinez! Stoppage time! Go-ahead goal for Argentina! Once again, and now Lionel Messi working on Nico O'Reilly. Julian Alvarez holds it up. Messi comes to get it. He takes the bump. That's a foul. That's a free kick for Argentina. They're not there yet, but they're close. And another coming together. Argentina do it again, and they set it A with Spain Sunday in New Jersey in the World Cup final.